The Discovery Sport is again awarded a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating. Discovery Sport joins Discovery, Defender, and Range Rover Evoque, Range Rover Velar, Range Rover Sport, and Range Rover models in achieving a 5-star rating, drawing on decades of experience in active and passive safety systems. Discovery Sport launched in 2014 with a 5-star score. Tested again in 2022 to even more stringent standards, the versatile family SUV secured another 5-star rating, with improved scores of 89% score for Child Occupant Protection, 71% for vulnerable road users, and 85% for Safety Assist. Adult Occupant Protection scored 84%. The passenger compartment of the Land Rover Discovery Sport remained stable in the frontal offset test. Dummy readings indicated good protection of the knees and femurs, of both the driver and passenger. In the more severe side pole impact, the seat-mounted side thorax airbag was considered not to have deployed correctly, getting trapped behind the interior trim. A penalty was applied, and protection of the chest was rated as marginal. In both the frontal offset and side barrier tests, protection of all critical body areas was good for both child dummies, and the Discovery Sport scored maximum points in this part of the assessment. The Discovery Sport has a pedestrian airbag. Sensors in the bumper detect when a pedestrian has been struck, and an airbag deploys to provide additional protection to the pedestrian's head. Land Rover showed that the system worked robustly, for different pedestrian statures, and across a range of speeds, so the car was tested with the system operational. The autonomous emergency braking system of the Land Rover can respond to vulnerable road users as well as to other vehicles. The system performed adequately in tests of its response to pedestrians, and well in tests of its response to cyclists, with collisions avoided in most cases. The autonomous emergency braking system of the Discovery Sport performed well in tests of its reaction to other vehicles. The lane support system gently corrects the vehicle's path if it is drifting out of lane, and also intervenes in some more critical situations.